airplanes.
I'll make one. I'll just start by writing the flight number here on the side, which just might happen to also be my phone number. Oops, look at clumsy me.
Ivy, we're trying to train here. You're in the way.
They don't seem to mind.
They don't seem to care.
Everything okay, Ivy?
No, I just flirted with a bunch of nerds, and not one of them would give me the time of day. I know they have it. They all wear calculator watches.
Of course they ignored you. Look at you. You're gorgeous.
I know.
You need to make yourself ugly.
I would never do that.
For millions of dollars?
Go on.
Those nerds see you as unattainable, so they don't bother trying.
So that's what happened. I mean, I wasn't even on their radar, and I know they have that too.
Okay, class. Guess what we're gonna learn today? Nothing.
But that's what I learn every day.
Since some of you won't bother to learn, I won't bother to teach.
Then how am I gonna sleep? You're gonna throw my circadian rhythms all out of whack. Wait, circadian rhythms? That sounds sciencey.
The point is, we're having a pop quiz.
If you're mad at the nerds, why don't you just make them take the test? The rest of us could just sit around and laugh about how we talked you out of giving us the test.
You'll all take the test and you'll like it.
No, we won't.
You won't take it or you won't like it?
Yes.
Whoa! Slab, that was amazing. Spitballs, disgusting, but amazing. Please, join the engineering squad.
Forget it. First rule of Nerd Club. Don't join Nerd Club.
But you're an incredible paper airplane maker.
Yeah, you might even be as good as Yuki. Have you met Yuki? Yuki's really good.
I think what Echo's trying to say is, we need you to win.
No, I'm trying to say Yuki's really good. Yuki.
Where did you even learn to make airplanes like that?
Well, when I started high school, every time I got a test, I made it into an airplane. I guess I got pretty good after 7 years.
Come on, Slab. I'm sure the other engineering club members will welcome you with open arms. They'll be weak, but they'll be open.
Where are the other engineering club members?
Slab's not gonna hurt you. You